say meow meow. D is for duck, swimming somehow. E is for elephant, found big and strong. F is for fish, swimming along. G is for grapes, purple and sweet. H is for horse, blue, fast on its feet. I is for ice cream, rack and cold and yummy. J is for juice, tasty and tummy. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion, gray, loud or nearby. M is for mango, juicy delight. N is for nest, cozy and tight. A is for orange, one eye round and bright. K is for panda, black and white. Q is for queen, the buzzing around. R is for rabbit, gray, hop up on ground. S is for strawberry, full, sweet to bite. T is for tiger, strong with might. U is for umbrella, in rain we play. V is for umbrella, drives away. W is for water, beach, big and green. X is for x-ray, fish, rarely seen. Y is for yak, furry and tall. Z is for zebra, stripes and all.